Good morning everyone. Myself Prashashri from 8th standard. Now I am going to say about theme of National Science Day. National Science Day is celebrated every year with a new unique theme. The theme for the year 2025 is Empowering India Youth for Global Leadership. In Science and Invocation for Viksit Bharat, the theme provides the outline of course of action for seminars and discussions to be held at the Vignan Bhavan. History of the National Science Day. The National Science Day was observed for the first time in 1987, proposed by the National Council of Science and Technology and Communications. The purpose was accepted by the government and 28 February was declared National Science Day to highlight the discovery of Raman effect. India celebrates the day annually to honor the importance of science in progressing the society and serving a reminder of science, Indian scientific heritage and contributions of scientists in global knowledge. Raman effect founded by C.V. Raman and K.S. Krishna in 1928 under the Raman effect. The light underwent a shift in wavelength when interacting the molecules of substances in this discovery. The effect demonstrated the light can be secreted carrying valuable information about molecular vibrations. Ever since the discovery has become an important tool in medicine, chemistry, physical and material composition and properties. Discovery helped him win the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. Thank you.
My name is Sabihan, studying in 7th standard. This activity name is sand block. This turn this side. If sand coming slowly, this arrange around 2 minutes.
Good afternoon, one and all. My name is Chandrika. I am studying in 7th standard. This is a LED bulb. This is a positive terminal. This is a negative terminal. I am joining the number. This is a positive terminal. I am connecting, and this is a negative terminal. When I am connecting these two terms, light is glow. Thank you.
Electrical energy converted into mechanical energy in this activity.
My name is Prisms. I am studying in 7th standard.
We have to keep the same poles. They are repel each other. When I am connecting forcibly, but it is not connecting here. See here, when I am changing the direction north and south, when I am kept near, these are both attracted towards. See, when we are connecting the positive terminal and the negative terminal to this, the bulb is on off, but the wire is, when you disconnect here, the bulb is off. Okay, so these are the circuit connections like this we have to be given. When we have to connect the wires properly in this arrangement, positive terminal and negative terminal, the bulb is glowing on this manner. Okay.
This wire is connected metal like that. The bulb is glowing.
At 90 degrees, 72 degrees, 60 degrees, 45 degrees, 30 degrees, when the multiple reflection ಸೊ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಮಿರರ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ apply the multiple reflection. Okay, with the help of the glasses or the mirrors, we have to observe the multiple reflection. Light ray is passing to the plane mirror. When we are observing that, the angle of reflection both are equal. Okay, and after that, the angle of incident ray. When the white light is passing here, the dispersion of light, after that it is formed the rainbow colors. See, all of you observe here.
From this activity we learned that this is a plastic rubber. When we connect the plastic rubber bulb, the bulb is not glowing. From this activity, when we connect the glass item, the bulb is not glow. This is the insulator. At the same time, when we connect the safety pin, this is a good conductor. The bulb will glow.
This is a magnetic compass. From it we can know the directions north, east, west, south.
Currently I am studying 7th standard. Natural indicator.
Good morning to all, myself Shafia. I am from 7th standard. Today activity is purifying the water. Today I am converting to dirty water to fresh water.